how to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Now, if you want to book or reserve a certain place or a property on booking.com, and then basically you want to do it without actually going ahead and then basically paying for it right now. Now, what you have to do is for that, you simply have to select a property where prepayment is not needed, which means you can book and reserve now, and later when you're on the property, you can pay using cash or any of the other payment method aside from your credit card. So just look for this little label that says no prepayment needed or book now, pay later type of prepayment, right? So after that, you select a certain property, then select the room, select all of your suites and every details that you want. Once you've done that, you will see this option called reserve. Now, this might not be available for all the properties, but some properties does offer you to just reserve now and pay later when you're at the property. So tap on it, tap on the select option to select your stay, tap on the reserve option, and then you'll be able to fill in a couple of information and basically reserve the place, and later on you can pay them. So this is the way on how you can book hotel in booking.com without actually using or spending from your credit card right away. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.